Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your SPY Discord frames. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn your frame around, like if you're going to put it on, like this. Once you've done that, I like to rotate my frame at a 90-degree angle. It just makes it easier to work this way. Then we're going to locate sections here and here of your frame. We're going to pull out on these sections of the frame as we push the lens forward with our thumbs. So again, use these two fingers to pull out on these sections of the frame as we push the lens forward. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Perfect. Now you should hear a pop when doing this. If you do, do not be alarmed. It's completely normal. It's just the lens unseating itself from these grooves here. So let's go ahead and give this side a shot. We're going to locate sections here and here of your frame, and we're going to pull out with these two fingers as we push the lens forward with our thumb. So let's give it another go. Perfect. And now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn the frame around. Have it facing towards you. Once you've done that, go ahead and locate the grooves inside of the frame. Now that's what we're going to be lining up our lens to these grooves. Now I just uninstalled the original lenses that came with it, which were a G15 green. So today I'm going to be installing my new Revo Fire Red lenses, just to kind of match more right here with the sides of my frame. So go ahead and start off with one section first. We're going to line up this lens, this part of the lens here, to the grooves of the inside of the frame here. So go ahead and line up your lens. And once you've done that, all you got to do is just push down to seat it in. Now you should hear a popping sound. Not like that. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and line up your lens to those grooves. And then again, we're just going to push down to get it to seat in. Perfect. Now once that lens is seated in, go ahead and take your Seek Optics microfiber pouch and give these lenses a nice good little wipe down. And we're going to go ahead and remove any impurities that might have been left behind during the installation, any oil, any fingerprints, or any dust that might have been left during the installation. So go ahead and give it a nice little wipe down. Get rid of all that. Look at that. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.